does happen through a portal. So they are, they're assigned to us. And so, Richard would accept the allocation and then basically their answer paper becomes visible, and Richard goes through each question and will have a comment on it, whether they're compliant or not in each of those single questions. And it can pass back and forth a number of times. Sometimes there might be very glaring omissions, which will mean a fail, but they do have an opportunity to sort of normally make corrections or find more information, which then allows Richard to pass them, and they have their block mark issued at that point.
Yeah, it's not just me. We're also there's another assessor works in our organisation, and I think there are a total of about 1,000 assessors around the country working for the various different certification bodies. But we do like to make sure before they actually get onto the questions in the first place that they are reasonably well prepared and it's not too much of a shock. So if it's going to be a shock, then it's going to be an unpleasant process for them. And we want it to be a learning process as well as an assessment process. And that seems to be working quite well. And that's the Centre IASME encourage certification bodies and assessors to educate as well as assess, which we think that's the strength of the scheme.